Hi, I'm Mr. Sutman and I work at Walmart and I'm here to sell you these products. No, that's not true. This is Mr. Sutman, your principal, and I'm here to tell you about your kits. Each student is going to get their own kit with all their own school supplies. All of these supplies have been purchased for you, and when you come in the very first day, this kit will be here and will be ready. The reason we're getting you kits this year is so that you don't have to touch anybody else's supplies. You'll have your own scissors, you'll have your own pens, your own crayons, your own everything that you need. But guess what? If you want to add to your kits, you can bring in things from home and add them to the kit with everything else. If we happen to have to go home and do a hybrid plan where you come to school some days and you're home some days, or if you're going to be at home for a while, you can take your entire kit home with you and then you'll have all the supplies that you need. We are very fortunate that the district has bought all of this for us, and we want to make sure you have everything you need regardless of what's happening with school and COVID-19. So in conclusion, we really miss our students and we can't wait for them to come back. These kits will be ready for you the very first day you arrive, and I really hope this video helps all of you get ready for the first day of school. Thank you.